Alright guys, how's it going? This rock here, we hope and think possibly it has, you want to get as close up, possibly some maybe gems building up in there, most likely quartz. And I also know that this green line I think might have some indication of something, but we're going to check it out. We may find nothing and we may find something if we can get it open. So also I want to show you what it'll look like after it's been wetted down. You can see how it gets shiny in there. So we're gonna try to get a chisel in here and split it open a little bit. If we have to, I've got a grinder I can cut it with. We'll see. Okay. Probably shouldn't be doing this on my nice shorts, but we're deciding to do this before we go out, so I'm gonna try, you know what? I'm gonna try with this pick first and get that open. And I don't have a nice wooden work table, so this is what we're working with. It's off my legs. Oh! A little bit of crystal in there. Let's see what the big one has.
Hold on.
So funny. Check that chunk off, but let's see. It's not really proven to be anything yet. Let's see if I can split the whole thing. So it's definitely got some stuff in here, but I'm not sure. It looks mainly like quartz. I'm honestly still just learning about all this. That's pretty cool, huh? Let's see if it changes anything with some color, with some water.
There you go.
I'll have to go change again. I'm just getting this cleaned out so we can kind of see in there really well. So there's some cool coloring in there. Mainly just, it looks like quartz. But, you know, what we could try to do is saw through this thing and see if we can get something cool, or break it up one more time. This one. That out. That's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. See if we can break this up a little more. You see all the dust all over me. I'm gonna try to smack it from this side. That way so I could hit this backside and do exactly what I hoped for it to do, was split this way instead of hitting the inside where I knew that was like where it might be nice. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's not the greatest thing, not the greatest find, but it's pretty neat. It would be a lot better. I'm not quite up to my rock turns yet, even though I should be. But it's pretty cool in there, huh? I'm thinking it's mainly quartz in here. I don't know if anybody else can help me out and tell me what it is. But that's just not your normal rock. It's got something, definitely some formations in here. And the water just helps it wash off. You see all the dirt and crud get washed away. Well, I bet we could like tumble a piece of this down to something really nice. A nice white and black stone or something. This outside piece even almost looks like gold. It's not gold, but it just has tinges of the yellow for the most part. Pretty cool though. Would have been nicer if we had had like a big crystal inside here, crystal formations, but this is kind of neat. You can see this is where that green streak was, I think. There it is. Not much to it, but we did get to see the inside.